Giving your patients the information and guidance they need to help manage their own care is absolutely essential to achieving better health outcomes and reducing costs across the health system. But that kind of patient engagement is only possible if you can make clinical data available across your whole enterprise to outside labs and pharmacies, and even on the patient's smartphone. Thanks to Salesforce Health Cloud and the J2 Native FHIR Gateway, putting that data in the hands of everyone who needs it just got a lot easier. With the J2 Native FHIR Gateway, you no longer need to be an expert on the Health Cloud data model or spend the time hand-coding custom HL7 interfaces to connect your EHR with Health Cloud. The J2 Native FHIR Gateway lets you establish secure, bidirectional data sharing between any EHR that supports the FHIR standard and Health Cloud. It also works with any integration platform that can broker FHIR transactions on behalf of systems that don't support FHIR natively. With the J2 Native FHIR Gateway, integration challenges that might otherwise take weeks or months can be tackled in a matter of hours, dramatically accelerating your pace of innovation. Your technical teams no longer need to grapple with the minute details of systems integration either. The Gateway frees them up to focus on expanding the capabilities of your applications. The J2 Native FHIR Gateway also pays for itself many times over in saved time and resources that would otherwise have to go into maintaining Health Cloud integration points. Because the Gateway leverages the FHIR standard, you and the users who depend on you can rest easy, knowing that your Health Cloud applications will be insulated from upgrades to the systems you've integrated with Health Cloud. Your team has better things to do than wrestle with custom mappings and data transformations. Free them up to focus on delivering applications that improve your organization's ability to deliver quality care. The J2 Native FHIR Gateway, the quick and painless way to connect your EHR to Health Cloud. Drop us a line to learn more.